Hello and welcome to Smells Like Home Cooking, where we show you our favourite foolproof recipes for you to try at home. Today I'm cooking Garam Masala chicken. This is a great weekday dinner. I've served it here with cauliflower rice, but you can use normal rice if you're not watching your carbs. These are the few ingredients that you need, and I'll put them in the description below. We start with a medium to high heat pan, add a bit of oil or butter, and then fry the chicken strips until nice and golden brown. Once the chicken is nice and golden, add half of the garam masala and give it a good stir. The chicken can now be put to the side. Mix the finely diced pepper with the rest of the garam masala and the coconut milk. Give that a good stir together and then we'll pour that over the chicken. If your frying pan is not suitable for the oven, then simply combine this in an oven-proof dish instead. When you're giving it a stir, make sure you scrape any nice tasty bits that are stuck to the bottom before putting into the oven. This just needs about 20 minutes at 175 degrees C. And as easy as that, we're all done. Thank you for watching this recipe. If you enjoy it, please subscribe and share it with your friends. It would really help us out as we try and grow the channel. Thanks again, and we'll see you again soon on Smells Like Home Cooking.